To manage your machinery, track maintenance, and record breakdowns or interventions, head to the Machinery section. If no equipment has been added yet, you'll find this section empty. To add new machinery, click on New Equipment. Select the type of machinery, specify the position for implements, front or back, and assign a name. Then fill in any additional information if needed. You can also choose an image for your machinery by selecting one from the available options or uploading your own. Once you've entered all the details, click Add, and the machinery will be created. After adding machinery, you can manage it by clicking on it. In the Maintenance section, you can log maintenance activities. To add one, click Add Activity and provide the required details. Data include the type of intervention, the date of the activity, and additional info such as replaced parts, working hours, and operational costs. Once completed, click Add to save the activity. All logged maintenance activities will appear in the Overview section of your machinery. This makes it easy to keep track of interventions and associated costs over time.